This is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I'll show how you can perform an initial system setup on this device. So in the beginning, you will need to select your preferred setup and consequentially the system language. So let me quickly find English here. Yep. Now hit the start button. You can optionally insert your SIM now and set up the mobile network, or you can skip this step. Here, agree on the terms you agree with and disagree with the terms you do not want to agree on. That's up to you to read and get acquainted with them. Here, you are up to, or you can connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, or you can skip this step and perform an offline setup. Now you can copy your files and data from previous device, Google account or Google backup as well, but I'll just select on copy option since I do not have any data to transfer. Now set up your time and date. Manage Google services. You can optionally lock your screen, or you can skip this step. Here you can sign into your Samsung account, or once again you can absolutely skip the step for now. And well, we are all set up, and the initial setup process is also finished. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.